Emergency tree removal, York, Pennsylvania. Trees can add beauty and value to your property. But when a storm hits or a tree suddenly becomes damaged, it may be time for emergency tree removal. Strong winds, heavy rain, or unexpected structural failure can cause trees to split, uproot, or fall without warning. Damaged or leaning trees can threaten roofs, vehicles, fences, and nearby structures. In some cases, immediate removal is necessary to prevent further property damage and restore safety. Emergency tree removal should be handled carefully to protect surrounding buildings and landscaping. Oathkeepers Tree Care provides professional emergency tree removal services for homeowners in York, PA, and the surrounding areas. Each situation is approached with urgency, attention to safety, and a focus on property protection. Damaged trees and large limbs are removed in a controlled manner, and the area is cleared once the work is complete, leaving your property secure and manageable. Professional emergency tree removal can help reduce risk, prevent additional damage, and bring peace of mind after a storm or unexpected tree failure. If you're dealing with a fallen or hazardous tree, reliable local service is available. Contact at Oathkeepers Tree Care, located at 1180 Conewago Ave, Manchester, PA 17345, United States. Phone number 717-378-1776. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.